Welcome to the Priyanka Rattawa show. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make Murmura Namkeen. Call it Muri, Murmura or puffed rice. It is a very healthy ingredient to munch on. This healthy mixture is very easy and quick to make. It is perfect with a cup of tea or to snack on whenever you are hungry. Let's get cooking. Into a large pan, add some oil. For the tempering, add cumin or jeera, mustard or rye. They have started to crackle. Let's add a pinch of Hing or Asafoetida. Next, add groundnuts. Call it peanuts, mungfali. Stir and cook on medium flame. Roast until the peanuts are nice and crisp. I like to add lots of peanuts as my family loves them. The peanuts look good. Now I'm going to add some roasted chana dal. These are high in protein. Stir and roast it for 1 minute. Next, add curry leaves. You can also add green chilies, but make sure you fry the green chilies and curry leaves nicely before adding the muri. The curry leaves are nice and crisp. Next, another healthy ingredient, pumpkin seed or kaddu ka beej, roasted kaju. You can also use normal kaju and roast it. Next, raisins or kishmis to give some sweetness, some crispy corn flakes, salt, turmeric powder, and chaat masala. Lastly, let's add the muri, murmura or puffed rice, whatever you call it. Mix well so that the muri is well coated and turns into a light yellow color. Roast these for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame until they are nice and crisp. You can see it has changed its color. And our Muri mixture is ready. Allow it to cool completely and then transfer into an airtight container. This can last up to 2 weeks, but I am sure it will finish before that. This recipe requires very less oil and can be made in 15 minutes with all healthy ingredients. So try it out, guys, and let me know if you liked it. Please subscribe to our Chick Foods, eat healthy and stay happy. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.